Your girl been spending that dough, you hear me? It was hurting, it was hurting.
Are you ready now, ain't you? One more time.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by me, myself, and I. I purchased everything with my own coin. It is also Sip and Slay, and your girl got her Stella Peach on deck. Y'all know I was on a break from the wine, so I got a lot of wine to catch up on, okay? Bottoms up. That was probably a mistake. So for today's video, we are doing another what I bought versus what I got Amazon edition, because your girl been spending that dough, you hear me? No Ken this time, okay? All me, okay? And it was hurting, but I did it, and I'm keeping every single thing that I purchased, even if I don't like it, because I'm too lazy to return it. Stop, don't judge me, don't judge me. Now for the clothing portion of this video, I'm not wearing no I'm about to say no undergarments, that's a lie, I'm not wearing no girdles or nothing like that, so you may see some lumps and bumps and rolls and, you know, whatever else. You know, keep it real cute, real cute. This body still pulls them, so. But anyway, before we get into the specs and the install of this unit, as well as the clothing haul, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, oh, my stomach is growling. That intermittent fasting is getting me, okay? Okay, so first things first, we're going to talk about the hair. So this one is brand new from the Outre Melted Hairline collection. This is the wig Begonia. I didn't name it. I got her in the color DRFF Caramel Mocha, just like she is on her card. This unit comes in natural and specialty colors, so you can check that out if you want to. And this unit does retail between $60 and $70, depending on where you buy her from. Now, we'll have my Amazon link down below so you can get this joint in 2 days. Now, just like all the other Melted Hairline collection wigs, this unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. It also has the attached elastic band so you can wear this unit glueless. You guys saw my install that I did cut my joint out because I did not feel like I needed it, especially in this collection. That band tends to get real snug after about 30 minutes. And I ain't trying to get a concussion, okay? I'm trying to be cute. So yeah, snip. This is a high-tex fiber unit, so it is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Y'all saw that I did use heat on my unit, my blow dryer, and my hot comb to get my wig like this. The hairline for this unit is okay. When it comes to the melted hairline, especially in this 2x5 parting space, Outre can do a lot better, okay? I'm just telling you because I tried, what was it? It was the Outre Melted Hairline. I'm pretty sure it had a 2x5. I'll put the picture and the name right here of the wig that I'm talking about. That wig was pretty much ready to go out the pack. I may have plucked a little bit of that hairline, but nothing crazy. It was pretty much put it on my head and it was gorgeous, y'all. Now, I don't know what they do on these new joints, but this, This is not the hairline that I'm used to, but I ain't plucked nothing, okay? I ain't feel like it today. I just wanted to put this joint on and pretty much go. The lace was not blending down the way that I needed her to, so I did use some little swoopy swoops in the front here. Don't judge me. Y'all know I don't really like the swoops on me, but if I need to do them, I'ma do them, okay? So shh. I do like the style and the curl. I do feel like the 2x5 parting space gives you ample parting space. So if you want to change up your part like I did, you know, curve it a little bit more, you can definitely do that. This is a right side part unit. However, I did see my girl Charisma, she actually put her unit on the wrong way. So she shifted her unit to the left side, and that's how her part was sitting. So for all my left side baddies, ding ding, you got one too, okay? The unit as a whole I feel like is really pretty. However, I do not feel like my color is what's on this card. On the card, she's definitely giving more 613 blondish highlight type of look. That's not what this is, and I initially thought it was just me, but all the reviews I've seen with this color look like this. The only one that I feel like looks like the card is Charisma, and like I said, she shifted her wig to the left side, so maybe the highlight for this wig is on the left side. That's why you can't really see it. It's definitely giving more caramel blonde in this one. This is giving me a different type of caramel, okay? Caramel, caramel, however you say it. It is different, okay? It's totally different. Hold on, I gotta put some lip gloss on because I feel a little janky. My lips not popping. No shedding for this unit. I did get some snags towards the end, but nothing crazy. I brushed them out. But other than that, I'm looking like a snack, okay? I'm still giving the looks, okay? But anyway, let's go ahead and get into why y'all here, which is the clothing haul. All my clothes didn't come in because Amazon playing. What's the point of having Prime if I gotta wait a month for my stuff? Let me know. But I wanted to go ahead and drop this video for you guys before the end of the month, so you know, I guess I gotta do another one. Look at y'all getting spoiled. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into these looks. Okay, so this is gonna be another edition of what I bought versus what I got. We're gonna see if Amazon gonna, you know, give us the looks based on what they showing us, okay? So first up, we have this cream tunic dress right here. Looks real cute and simple on the site. On the model, she's definitely giving loose, but I can tell she's obviously thinner than I am, and she don't have the same chesticles that I do, so I knew the fit was gonna be a little different. Let's go ahead and see it, okay? So this is how I look in the dress. You can see my chest, you know, my chest is out there. I feel like it's really cute. However, for a spring summer type of dress, it may be a little warm because it does have a thicker fabric than I expected it to have. It is a shorter dress, so you know, you get some breeze up under there, but I did buy a brown belt, as you see right here, to, you know, kind of cinch the waist a little bit. I wasn't really feeling the belt, to be honest. I kind of like it, you know, more loose and just open, so you know, I probably won't wear the belt with this one, but you know, it's still cute for another look, so you know, we'll try again. Now the next dress I had was really pretty on the site. However, I knew, okay, I knew Amazon was going to bamboozle me, and they did. This is what the dresses look like on the site. Very pretty, and this is how that dress looks on me, okay? You can already see the pattern is a little different. The pattern on the site is more pink on the top and then blue on the bottom, where mine is pretty much all blue in the front, and then when I turn around, you have that pink fabric on the back. I know when it comes to fabrics like this, each dress will look different, so if you choose to get this dress, your pattern may be a little bit different than mine. Now the dress did feel real nice. It has like a, I would say like a chiffon type of feel to it. I felt really comfortable wearing it. The tie though that comes around the dress, you know, that comes around your waist, kind of cinching it a little bit, it wasn't that long. They just kind of gave me a slither of fabric, like so yeah, it wasn't giving me the exact same look as the site had. I was a little disappointed in this one, but it was still cute. I still wore it, and you know, there's that. Okay, now next up is one that I was really excited for, but I was worried because of my, you know, again, my chest size. So this is what the next dress looks like. So pretty, y'all. She looks so good on the site. It just gave me spring, summertime, and I really liked how it looked. So I went on and tried it, and this is how it looks on me. So it fit everywhere except for like my waist. It did not zip all the way up in the back. It did fit around my chest. However, it does give a deep cleavage look. So if you're not into that, you may want to wear a modesty band. I did get some of those from Amazon as well. I didn't put them on in this video. However, I did try them on, and they're super cute. You know, they'll cover up when you need to cover up, okay? So I'll link that down below as well, so you guys can check that out with this dress. I do have on a brown bra, so I did just tuck the dress into my bra to give me like the push-up, and that's how we looking. Again, I look real top heavy in this dress. It's not giving me, it's not flattering me the way that I want, because I don't feel like, I don't know, it was just too much chest for me. It wasn't giving me the look that I wanted. But outside of that, this is a gorgeous dress, y'all. I really liked how it felt. It also had that chiffon type of material, so it was really airy and breathable. And yeah, I just wish the chest was a little bit more, you know, it's a little too much. It's a little too much around there. But yeah. Okay, now next up is one of my favorite looks. I really love this dress. I wore it already in one of my videos, and I had a lot of questions about that dress, so I'm going to go ahead and tell you about it now. It gives the V-neck, the flowy sleeves, the flowy skirt, you know, the cinched in waist. It also has a split in the front. This dress, y'all, looked really cute on the model, and it looks even cuter on me. The wind started blowing when I was out there. It was giving me all types of feels, okay? I was out there showing out. People was driving by looking at me like I was crazy. I ain't care. Hey, neighbor. So I really like this dress, y'all. The split in the front can get real spicy if you want to, or you can kind of just let it go and let it flow. Now that I have this one, I will check it out in more patterns because I feel like it's a very nice dress on me. Okay, so yeah, this was definitely one of my favorite buys from my haul. And next up, I tried some shorts. I don't really do shorts like that just because I hate when my thighs rub together, and the shorts just don't. Hate how the shorts kind of ride up, in my crotch area. I hate how that looks. It just looks real, and it doesn't feel great either. But I could not pass up this romper when I saw it. It looked really cute, and I felt like it would look real cute on my shape based on, me trying to hide the mom gut while I'm working it out, but still giving me a little shape. So this is what that looks like on the model. I got it in the color green. Again, it looked really pretty on her, and this is how it's looking on me. And y'all, this is another one of my favorite buys from this Amazon haul. Even though the shorts do ride up a little bit, it kind of is forgiving based on how the flowy the short is and how the overlay shirt is. It kind of gives you that, that dress skirt type of feeling. So I really liked how this looks. I would definitely be rocking this one for the spring summer because it is a cute little banger, y'all. I really like this one on me. And last but not least, I do have the yellow dress from the black dress that I showed you guys in my last what I bought versus what I got. I got this dress because of Brittany, aka I Fancy Cupcakes. Now Brittany is taller than me, and the dress still flowed down to the floor for her. So I knew on me it was gonna give me that flowy, airy type of look, and so I had to get it. Okay, I got it in 3 colors. This yellow one, the black one that I already showed you guys, and I'm still waiting on the polka dot one that I ordered as well. This is how she looks on the model, as you can see, and then this is how she looks on me. She looks good. Now, even though it does have a white underlay, this dress, just like the black one, is still see-through, so you will need to wear the appropriate undergarments to make sure you're not, kind of peeking through anything with this dress. Definitely shout out to Brittany for putting me onto that dress. Thank you. But that's all I got for you guys today. I will put all the links for the hair and the dresses plus my sizes down below, so if you guys want to check anything out, you definitely can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.